everyone. Welcome to another Power Questions with Archana. Today I'm taking a question that has come to me from Mumbai. This is Jennifer who writes to me. Archana, I've recently gotten a job and I will be required to work from home. What are your experiences and how would you like to handle a work from home situation? Congratulations, Jennifer. I think that's a great news. And in today's scenario, working from home is a blessing in disguise. Well, I feel in a work from home situation, the focus shifts from your own day's plan to your family day's plan. You need to work out on the timings and plan their routine in a way where you would know what is the kind of time you can squeeze into work, especially in a home environment. So it's important to plan their routines, especially when you have smaller children. It's very important so that you know when they wake up, when they go to bed, when they are being left attended with somebody, and you know what is the kind of time you would like to give to your work. Second most important thing for me is to make sure that you have a designated work area. You know where you work from, you know where you operate from. You would have all your things there, your workstation, your pen, paper, everything. So that is your area, no matter how small it is, but you need to know where you work from. Also, for me, it's very important to have a to-do list. I know it might sound a little old-fashioned, but I still have a to-do list. It's important to keep track of how your day is planned, what is the flow of the work going to be, and what are the things you need to finish by the day of the week or the month. It's very important to have that to-do list with you all the time. Another very important thing, which is very important for me, and I would suggest to everybody out there, dress up. I know we are not going to work, we're not stepping out of the house to go to our offices. Dress up as if you actually are. Wear an attire which makes you feel that yes, you are in. Staying in your pajamas or something lousy doesn't give that feel, and you don't feel at it. It's important to dress up and start your day's work, just as you do in your office. While working from home, we are bound to get distractions. But that happens also in an office environment. We do get our personal calls we attend to, maybe for a shorter duration, but we do. So that's the kind of discipline we definitely need to have even while working at home. Distractions are going to be there, but we need to understand how to juggle between what is more important at that point in time and attend to it. Even if you are required to attend to something other than your work at that point in time, you need to understand you need to finish that fast and come back to work. It's all about managing your resources at that point in time. One another very important part of working from home should be all your computing devices should carry a license in malware software. You should use everything that is licensed, which is very important. While we are working at offices, our companies are spending a lot of money making sure exchange of data that happens through days, months, years, it's all protected and nobody trespasses. While at home, it is very important that at your end you take that. I hope this works for you. I wish you all the best for your new job and stay tuned for more.